Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars, and to this our latest video for the VW Passat GT Estate. This is the 1.5 TSI EVO DSG. The car was first registered 31st of May 2019. As you can see on a 19 plate, one owner from new, benefiting from a comprehensive Volkswagen service history. The last service was done 17th of May 2024 at 67,000 miles, mileage of fraction over 69,000 miles. 4 services in total. Next oil service is due in 8,000 miles or 250 days. It's a Euro 6 petrol car producing 150 brake horsepower. Manufacturer's claimed average MPG of 39 to the gallon. Compliant with the ultra low emission zones. Finished in manganese grey metallic. Very good set of premium brand Michelin tyres. Fronts are on 5mm of tread, and the rear tyres are on 6mm of tread. May 24 it had rear discs and pads along with a brake fluid change at Volkswagen, and May 23 front discs and pads with the aircon service. This Passat features a number of nice factory options: head-up display, keyless entry including hands-free boot opening, the Dyne Audio Confidence sound pack, ambient lighting plus pack, driver assistance pack. As you can see, it's finished in the half leather and Alcantara suede interior with heated front seats. The driver's seat is the Ergo Comfort partially electric seat. Exterior mirrors are electric, folding, dimming and heated. Obviously electric windows all round, front and rear parking sensors. It has the adaptive cruise control, auto hold, paddle shift on the gear lever, automatic LED headlights, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity for phone, sat-nav, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This model also benefits from the large panoramic glass sunroof, which is electric, along with the electric blind. This Passat is fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. Be supplied with 2 remote control keys. The book pack is present. Full set of tailored carpet mats. See the tonneau cover present in the boot. Has a full-size alloy spare wheel with all tools and locking wheel bolt also. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you will find full information regarding warranties on offer, part exchange page, customer testimonials, interactive finance calculator giving you the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes, as well as our reservation facility. Thank you for watching this video.